Want more people to discover your Instagram? Here's how to quickly switch your account from private to public. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the bottom right, tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile to open the menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you control your account privacy options. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll until you see Account Privacy, then tap it to open the privacy settings. At the top, you'll see a private account toggle. This switch controls whether your account is private or public. If the toggle is turned on, your account is currently private, and only approved followers can see your content. To make your account public, simply tap the private account toggle to turn it off. Instagram may show a confirmation pop-up. Choose Switch to Public to confirm your change. Once the toggle is off, your profile is public, and anyone on Instagram can see your posts and follow you without approval. That's it. Your Instagram is now public. Remember, you can return to account privacy anytime if you want to switch back to private.